as you saw in the title of this video, we are going to the abandoned bunkers in Alvira, Pennsylvania. I'm here with my boyfriend, Eric. I'll put his YouTube channel in the description if you like gaming. He does streams and all that kind of stuff. We've actually been here before, back in May, but there was a lot more visitors there because the weather was nicer. It's February now, so I don't think there's going to be many people there. Do you think there's going to be anybody there? No. I think it's going to be creepy. But it is a really cool place. I think you guys will really like it. I'll get into the history more when we get there. But if you like these exploring videos, make sure you subscribe because we're actually going to be going to an abandoned cemetery, which is right down the road. And there's also going to be another creepy bonus video after that. So make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, just leave it a like, and I will see you guys there. We're here, and as soon as we park over here, there's a bunker right here, but obviously this one is locked. Yeah, there's no getting in there. Okay, so before this town was called Allenwood, it was the village of Alvira. So back in 1942, during the Second World War, the government evacuated this entire village and bought over 8,000 acres of land to start building these bunkers. So everyone was driven out of their homes so that way they could ramp up their weapons and military explosive production. Now, this was right after the bombing of Pearl Harbor. So they thought that they needed all these explosives. They didn't know where to store them, so they bought this extremely isolated little tiny village in Pennsylvania to start building them. But as time went on, they later realized that they didn't need all this storage. They overestimated their explosive production. So these bunkers were just left here abandoned. So the land was sold off again and it was renamed Allenwood. And now here we are, 80 years later, and the bunkers still sit here. So as you can see, there are some locked ones, but there are also some open ones. So just so you guys know, this is public property. It is state game land. So we are allowed to be here, but with that being said, there's also no limit to who can come in here. So there can be complete randos here, so that's why we're taking precautions just in case. You never know who we might run into or what we might run into. There might be bears hibernating in these bunkers, we don't know. So let's get into it. It's also snowing right now, so perfect weather. What are you doing? I'm gonna push you in that lake. No. You wanna go for a swim?
No. Currently walking back on the trails.
Should I walk on that frozen lake? See if I fall in?
No, let's not say you did.
The snow just makes it so peaceful, doesn't it?
Yes, it does, honey.
It's not even that cold.
No, it's not even that bad. It's nice.
Here, right up here, there's another one.
Fell off the trucks. This should be number 2.
Oh
but
yeah, I forgot to mention that. All the bunkers are numbered.
You
So
realize
I think that one back there was number 1. This one is number 2.
this one's not completely repainted though. And I feel like they get more forgotten as they go deeper into the woods. But this is one of many. It's like 20 something. But we're gonna go back.
Oh, this one you can open.
Go ahead. Someone left this open. This wasn't open last time.
No, this one wasn't open.
This one has stuff in it.
This has so much stuff in it. Okay, so we had to go back and get his flashlight because we forgot it, but there's a bunch of
stuff.
crap in here.
Bunch of bags.
It looks like someone's like storing stuff in here. There's like a desk over there. Do you see that?
Yeah.
There's flashes over on the desk. Like old chairs.
Old tires. There's old
There's
boxes.
tires everywhere.
Boxes of old stuff. Look at this. This is like off a Jeep or something. There's old things that hold ammunition and stuff. Right here.
Oh yeah, that's probably where they did hold it.
Yeah, look at the old boxes. Looks like something for a dog or something.
Mhm. Oh wow, yeah, it does look like that, doesn't it?
Yeah. There's more of them right here. Do they say anything on them?
I don't know.
Look at this.
Oh, that's an old chest.
Fat rats. That's definitely old.
Ugh. Yeah, that's
It's
very old.
definitely military. Right here are some stuff on it.
What's that say?
Toad type. Something
Yeah, it could be from the military.
definitely is. And then there's that. Something for the game commission for that. For the dogs, like the air tracking or something.
Yeah, something like that. I feel like this is what they, like, these bunkers are literally just storage for the game commission now.
Yeah, that's a possibility. I mean, some are still not open, but
Like, you guys can see, like, it's basically like an igloo shape.
yeah. You guys can see it better when I shine my light. You guys can kind of.
Yeah, it's a big dome. We definitely weren't in this one before, though.
This was not.
This was closed when we came here back in May. Oh my gosh, the snow is getting really, really bad. I don't know how much longer we can do this.
Yeah, this is cool.
See, you guys, look how bad the snow is. I mean, it's cool and everything, but when you're out here, it's kind of...
Look at this. It's like an old parachute or something. It has red stains on it.
Oh, it does.
I don't know if that's just rust stains or.
It could be. Oh, there's a big sign for the commission.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like this is just a bunch of storage in here. They might have
Yeah.
opened it up to store stuff.
I forgot to shut it.
Yeah, possibly.
But beware.
I know it's really hard to see because of all the snow, but right over here is where the bunker that we just went into is, and you can see how camouflaged it is. And that's because they wanted it to be unseen from enemy aircrafts above. So, yeah, you can't even tell it's over there. Okay, we're coming up on the trail, and there's another one right over there, and that one's already open.
And that means we only checked out 1 and 2. That means there's still
There's
2
over...
more bunkers hidden around here.
Yeah, there's over like 20 bunkers in this whole entire state game land, maybe even more. But yeah, this one's numbered 5. So there's 2 more that we haven't even seen yet.
Here's
So this one's completely, not completely, but it's pretty empty. You can hear my voice echo.
Look at all the graffiti.
Yeah, there's graffiti in this one.
Someone put bed at small. Wow.
Sorry, Ben.
Yeah, sorry, Ben. Look at all this.
So
Coloring the walls.
this one you can tell has been open for a long time because people have obviously destroyed it.
That's another thing to be skeptical about coming in here at night. There could be people hiding and stuff in these, which is another. But you can hear voices echo.
And you can see it's another igloo. They're all igloo shaped.
Yeah, they're all like that dome figure.
There's wood over here, a bunch of wood.
Yeah, a bunch of wood that could have been for the swamps or some kind of bridge or something.
There's a big barrel over there. A bunch of barrels over there.
Yeah, barrels of random, who knows, chemicals, oil, gas, whatever they had stored in those.
Yeah, but this one is pretty hollowed out.
Water bottles. Just a bunch of trash and people coming in here and there's a bunch of old pallets and a couple barrels and some wood. Otherwise, this is bunker number 5. Peace.
Guys, it's getting really, really bad snow-wise. I don't know how much longer that we can film, This does go really, really deep into the woods. I mean, we can always come back if you guys want us to come back.
It does go, probably, it looks like it goes quite a few miles. Probably 5 at least, I'd say. Here's the road you walk down. Really, you can't see no end, but it goes way back there. You guys can see where it kind of cuts out from the snow and stuff, but
all of the bunkers are basically like that one and the one that we saw before. Like they either have a bunch of stuff in them or they're completely empty. So
there should be maybe another one down here, I'd assume. Down at the end of this.
So I don't know if you guys can see, but there's starting to be like a little dome shape right in here. So that's when you know that you're gonna be coming up on another bunker.
You almost wonder, it looks like some big trucks drive back here as well for the tractors.
Yeah, for the game.
But here it is. The other bunker.
There's another one.
Stuff in this one.
You can see this one's already open, so it's probably gonna be
A lot of tracks going in for it.
make sure there's no bears. Oh, that's nice.
Almost see there's like old writing here. You almost
Well,
think,
that's nice too.
hey, you almost think this could have been,
Well, this one's really vulgar.
hey, they're like the older white writings on the wall.
Oh yeah, there is older writings on the wall right here.
Like
You can tell there's not
S100
graffiti.
B175.
You can tell they're not graffiti.
Mm-hmm. It's a bunch
Probably it
of
looks like coordinates or something.
arrow.
But yeah, this one's pretty vulgar. But you can see all the wood and stuff in here. All the supplies just left behind for all this time. It's crazy. It's crazy how it's been almost 80 years and it's still just left here. Alright guys, we're gonna head out just because the snow is getting bad. We did explore 3 bunkers, which is pretty good. If you guys want us to come back, we always can. It's not that far away from us. We're gonna go hit the cemetery that's down the road. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a like if you did. Comment below what you thought of the bunkers and any other places you'd like to see us go. There's about 20 some bunkers back here and we only explored 3. I mean, we have been in more than that, but like I said, they're all like the same pretty much. It's just really, really cool history behind this whole place, and I'm glad I got to share it with you. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.